Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Shipping.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are connected to shipping.
We will give some examples, so you will understand each vocabulary.
Cargo. It refers to a collection of items on the plane, ship, train, or truck. Cargo. Here's an example. Can you check the cargo for me? I just need to fix something.
Of course. Glad to help you.
Importing. It refers to when products bring into a country. Importing. Here's an example.
Our company is importing coffee from Brazil. Their coffee has a rich taste.
I agree. Your coffee is really good. I think this is my favorite coffee shop now.
Exporting. It refers to when products send out of a country. Exporting. Here's an example.
Kindly double-check the items. We have a schedule for exporting tomorrow.
I already did. I'll just check again just to be sure.
Declaring at customs. It refers to a list of items that must be presented to government officials. Declaring at customs. Here's an example.
Martin is just declaring at customs. We'll be there soon.
All right, take care.
Tariff. It is a special tax that needs to be paid. Tariff. Here's an example.
The US imposed 100% tariff on EU products, such as French mustard and Roquefort cheese.
Can you research more about that? I need you to send everything to me.
Clearing customs. It means passing through customs successfully to enter a country. Clearing customs. Here's an example.
Have you had a hard time clearing customs? I thought you were going to be delayed.
No, good thing it went well. International border. It refers to a dividing line between countries. International border. Here's an example. The international border was agreed and the legislation was signed. They also want to have a meeting with you.
All right, schedule the meeting for Friday. Thank you.
Warehouse. It refers to a building specifically for keeping or storing products. Warehouse. Here's an example.
Just take another look at the warehouse. Jason will assist you.
Okay, thanks for having us here. We'll see you again soon.
Shipping. It refers to the process of transporting products from one place to another. Shipping. Here's an example.
We have shipping again tomorrow. Can you extend your work until 7 p.m.?
Oh no, I can't. I think Joshua can help you.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Can you check for me? I just need to fix something.
Letter A. Cargo.
Letter B. Shipping.
Letter C. Warehouse.
The correct answer is letter A. Cargo. Can you check the cargo for me? I just need to fix something.
Our company is coffee from Brazil. Their coffee has a rich taste.
Letter A. International border.
Letter B. Importing.
Letter C. Clearing customs.
The correct answer is letter B. Importing. Our company is importing coffee from Brazil. Their coffee has a rich taste.
Kindly double check the items we have a schedule for tomorrow.
Letter A. Declaring at customs.
Letter B. Tariff.
Letter C. Exporting. The correct answer is letter C. Exporting. Kindly double check the items we have a schedule for exporting tomorrow. Martin is just. We'll be there soon.
Letter A. Declaring at customs.
Letter B. Cargo.
Letter C. Importing.
The correct answer is letter A. Declaring at customs. Martin is just declaring at customs. We'll be there soon.
The US imposed 100% on EU products such as French mustard and Roquefort cheese.
Letter A. Importing.
Letter B. Tariff.
Letter C. Exporting.
The correct answer is letter B. Tariff. The US imposed 100% tariff on EU products such as French mustard and Roquefort cheese.
Have you had a hard time? I thought you were going to be delayed.
Letter A. Shipping.
Letter B. Warehouse.
Letter C. Clearing customs. The correct answer is letter C. Clearing customs. Have you had a hard time clearing customs? I thought you were going to be delayed. The was agreed and the legislation was signed. They also want to have a meeting with you.
Letter A. International border.
Letter B. Tariff.
Letter C. Cargo.
The correct answer is letter A. International border. The international border was agreed and the legislation was signed. They also want to have a meeting with you.
Just take another look at the. Jason will assist you.
Letter A. Clearing customs.
Letter B. Warehouse.
Letter C. Declaring at customs.
The correct answer is letter B. Warehouse. Just take another look at the warehouse. Jason will assist you.
We have. Again tomorrow. Can you extend your work until 7 p.m.?
Letter A. Exporting.
Letter B. International border.
Letter C. Shipping. The correct answer is letter C. Shipping. We have shipping again tomorrow. Can you extend your work until 7 p.m.?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.